Hey guys, this is Vimal here.
And this is Sheetal.
And welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be very spicy
and masaledar.
So I hope you all enjoy this video. So before I start this video, actually I want to tell you guys one thing. You all need to have a little bit of, sense of humor and comedy to enjoy this video to the end. So alright then, let's get started. The thing is, nowadays is, onion, right? The news about onion. The prices of onion are going like very high. They're skyrocketing. Like in my area at least, the prices of onion per kg are going like 150 to 200 rupees.
Yeah.
Like what's happening? They're just normal onions. I don't know why there's such a huge demand, especially for these onions. I don't know about the other places in India, but in my area, it's this situation right now. There's a huge demand for this, and onion is a new trend, guys. So I thought, why not mix onion in tech videos. You guys might be like, what are you gonna do with these onions? Well, I'm gonna build a PC using onions.
Whoa.
Sounds awesome, right?
Awesome.
You guys might be like, what are you gonna do with these onions in PC? Well, come on guys, when there are potato PC builds available in the market, potato PC builds resemble low-cost PCs or budget versions of gaming PCs. I'm going to use onions to make the most expensive PC build. Using onions, we can tell that this is the expensive PC build available in India.
Yes, right now we can say that.
Yeah, sounds awesome, right? And for this, we'll definitely be using some expensive components because we're making an onion PC build, right? Onions! So yeah, it's definitely going to have a lot of RGB expensive components, and our main highlight, onions. We're going to be using onions in variety of ways, and I hope you'll definitely enjoy this. So first what I'll do is I'll just show you our special ingredient. Just bring our special key ingredient for this PC build video. Here it comes. Ta-da! So here they are, guys, our special key component for our PC build. A bowl of beautiful looking onions.
They look so beautiful.
Just look at these beautiful onions, guys. Look at the shape, the size, the color. We all love onions. I know that. We really love them. But yeah, there's a sudden high demand for this and a huge trend going on. So we'll be using these onions. These are the main highlight. Along with that, now I'm going to show you all the other components which we'll be using for today's PC build. Let's go and check them out. Alright guys, so I've bought all the components required for this gaming PC build. So here they are. The main highlight will be our beautiful onions, and for that purpose we definitely need some expensive components, right? So I'll be using AMD's Ryzen 3rd Gen, Ryzen 7 3800X, and the GPU I'll be using is my sister's new Strix 2070 Super, the RTX card. And by the way, if you don't know guys, if you haven't watched my video on this PC build which I posted a few days ago, go watch it now because I'm doing a special 2060 Super GPU giveaway. And there's only 2 or 3 days left, so don't miss that. I'll leave a link to that in the card above, so go check it out there. So these were the CPU and the GPU. The motherboard I'll be using is the Asus TUF Edition X570 motherboard, and along with that we are using a 1200 watt power supply, the ROG Thor series one. And what else is left? RAM. I'm using RAM from XPG RGB Edition RAM Spectrex model, and all the SSD and all the other stuff. Alright then, so first let's get started with the assembling part. Now this is going to be very fun. I hope you watch it till the end.
Yes.
So guys, there's one more thing I forgot to show you. The case we'll be using for this PC build is from Deepcool. This is a beautiful RGB case. The model is Matrix 55. So yeah, we'll be building our onion PC using this case. Alright then, let's get started with our assembling. Now assembling this PC is very fun. The first step that you need to do is we need to chop our beautiful onions, guys. That is the first step. So yeah, before getting started with the chopping process, I would suggest you guys to wear a helmet. So as you can see, I already have a helmet with me over here, because chopping onions can be it can make you emotional, and you can shed some tears as well.
Emotional.
I don't want to get emotional in this video. That's why I'll be wearing a helmet.
But I won't be wearing it because I got hurt on my face, so I can't wear a helmet right now.
Oh shit, no worries. I'll wear my helmet.
Yeah.
I'll wear for you as well. Okay, so let me just wear my helmet. Safety is very important. Let me put my glasses. I'm all ready.
You need to close this.
So yeah, Come on, Sheetal. Sheetal will be chopping the onions for us. Let's get started.
So how do you want me to chop them?
How do you want me? I want some beautiful onion rings. Now guys, that depends on how you want your PC to look like. You can beautifully decorate your PC any way you want. You want onion rings, you want finely chopped onions, or your wish. It's up to you. I want some beautiful onion rings, so slice some onions like that.
I chop them very carefully because they are really expensive these days. I don't
Oh,
want
yes,
to
yes.
spoil this beauty over
Yes,
here.
be very careful because onions are quite expensive now. We don't want to damage even single one of our onion.
So are you sure you want onion rings?
Yes.
Shall I get started?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So we are finally done with the first step. We are done with chopping our onions. Okay, so what we'll be doing is show them the onion rings. So yeah, so you need to gather some of these beautiful onion rings, finely chopped onions, get them in a bowl and keep them aside. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be getting into the main part. Let's just build this PC and let's do this quickly because this is not the highlight of this video, right? So we'll directly jump to our main highlights. Alright guys, so we're finally done with our gaming PC. We've completely assembled all the parts, but we're still left with the main thing. Yes, the onions. Now we're gonna put all these onions in this gaming PC and we're gonna beautifully decorate it. So yeah, let's do that. So this is how our new gaming PC looks like. Let's stuff onions wherever possible. So what I'll be doing is I'll be stuffing all these onions in the cabinet, in the power supply unit. You can do it wherever you want guys, and you can put as many onions as you like. It's up to you. So yeah, I'll be putting some onions over here. Stuffs these beautiful onions in the power supply. Oh, you wanna put? Come on, let's do this. Put it over here.
Can I place it here?
Yes, put it wherever you like.
Oh, this is an expensive PC.
Yes. Stuff them. The more the onions, the more expensive the build is in India. Yes, put more onions. Oh wow, this is going to look pretty good.
And it looks beautiful.
Yes. And I think that's enough for now. That is more than enough.
Okay.
And we still have our chopped onions as well. Onion rings. We're gonna put them over here. Yeah, put them over. I'll be putting this on the hard disk cage. Very nice. Now we need to dress it up. The final step, garnishing step. We're gonna take some onions. And go onion based style. Oh yeah. That is what we are talking about.
I guess that's enough.
Oh yeah, now it looks beautiful.
And tasty.
Yes, looks super delicious.
And smells good.
There are a lot of advantages actually by, putting a lot of onions in this PC. I'll tell you that in a moment. First, let's just power it on and see how this beautiful build looks like. Wow, such a beautiful looking PC. So guys, this Onion Gaming PC is not just some mad creative gaming PC that we made up today. It actually has its own benefits and advantages. Especially, let me just tell you a few of them. When we are gaming most of the time, we love to have snacks at that same time. Yes. So what we do is, and especially when that snack is our favorite Indian snack, we love to have that with onions. And at that time, you don't need to go to your kitchen to chop some onions and get them. You already have some fresh chopped onions over here in your PC. You can use them, add them in your snack and have fun. That is one advantage, very useful. The second is, the more onions you have in your PC right now, you can call it as the most expensive gaming PC.
Most expensive.
Yes, awesome, right? Yeah. And और क्या चाहिए? भुजिया?
Oh yes, onion और भुजिया तो deadly combination
अरे
है.
yes,
वो तो मेरा
really.
favorite snack है.
मेरा भी. So yeah, these were a few advantages of this Onion Gaming PC. Well, that's it for today, guys. I think it's time to wrap it up. I hope you all really enjoyed this video and had some fun. And do let me know what you think about it. And also, if you want to see a gaming video with this gaming PC, just let us know in the comment section and I'll definitely do that.
And also, even I have a YouTube channel. So
Yes, she's also a tech reviewer, guys.
Yes.
She makes tech videos in Hindi. So you can check out her channel. I'll leave a
And
link
I
in the
make them in
description box
Hindi.
below.
So
Yes. So that's it for today, guys. If you guys like this video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel for more such awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.